Ever wondered how to drive safely in foggy conditions? Well, you're about to discover the top 5 tips that could be the difference between a smooth journey and a potential mishap. First off, reduce your speed. Foggy conditions significantly reduce visibility, making it harder to judge distance and speed. Slowing down is not merely a suggestion, but a necessity. It gives you more time to react to any unforeseen occurrences on the road. Remember, safety matters more than speed. Next, use your low beam headlights. You might think high beams are the go-to solution in fog, but they can actually reflect off the fog and create glare, reducing your visibility even further. Low beam headlights, on the other hand, provide enough illumination without causing a glare. It also means your rear lights are visible. This makes you easier to see. Thirdly, listen to the sound of traffic around you. In foggy conditions, your hearing can help compensate for reduced visibility. Lower your music, keep conversations to a minimum, and open your windows slightly. This allows you to hear other vehicles before you see them, giving you more time to react. Fourth, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles. In fog, stopping distances can be much longer. Therefore, it's crucial to give yourself ample space between your car and the one in front. This extra buffer could be the difference between a close call and a collision. Finally, make sure to use your fog lights. These are designed to help the other road users and pedestrians to see you more clearly. To recap, when driving in the fog, always reduce your speed, use your low beam headlights, listen for traffic, maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, and don't forget to use your front and rear fog lights. These are not just tips, but essential practices for ensuring a safe journey in foggy conditions. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when you're behind the wheel, regardless of the weather.